we'll start with GPSK receiver. So it will be first one in that operation. First one will be phase shift of the receiver. So you can denote it with Rx. So your signal of receiver was B of t root 2p cosine of 2 pi f naught t plus theta. Let this be one equation. Now second one is as I have shown you in the block diagram, you should have a multiplier output of it. So multiplier output, you have to multiply it with the delayed version. What is the delayed version? Delayed version, like you have a B of t, the delayed version will be B of t minus tb. This is your delayed version of B of t. So the output will be B of t into B of t minus tb into 2p cosine of 2 pi f naught t plus theta. Cosine of 2 pi f naught t minus tb plus theta. So you can say, if you remember, cos A cos B will be half of cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. So this can be written as, suppose your A is 2 pi f naught t plus theta, B is your 2 pi f naught t minus tb plus theta. The output, substituting in previous equation, we will get B of t, B of t minus tb, P of cosine 2 pi f naught tb plus cos of 4 pi f naught t minus tb over 2 plus 2 theta. Let this be, or the previous equation, name it second one, let this be third one. Now f naught value is carrier frequency, tb is 1 bit period, so tb contains integral number of cycles of C naught. We already know, we know FB is equal to 1 over TB. Now TB has n cycles of F naught. So you can say F naught equal to n FB. So it can be written as F naught equal to n over TB. You can write F naught TB equal to n. Let this be fourth equation. Substitute this into third equation. We'll get multiplier output as B of t, B of t minus tb, P of cosine value 2 pi n plus cos of 4 pi f naught t minus tb over 2 plus 2 theta. Now cos 2 pi n equal to 1. So the above equation will be equal to B of t, B of t minus tb, P plus B of t, B of t minus tb cosine of 4 pi f naught t minus tb over 2 plus 2 theta. Let this be equation number 5. So this was the multiplier output. Third part is your integrator. Now we need to integrate kth bit interval. So S naught KTB equal to B of KTB, B of K minus 1 TB, P of dt. Again the integration limits will be K minus 1 TB to K TB plus of B K TB, B of K minus 1 TB, P of integration K minus 1 TB to K TB. This will be cosine value of 4 pi f naught t minus TB over 2 plus 2 theta over dt. So second integration term, this one will be 0, since integration of Fourier over 1 bit duration is always 0. So the S naught K TB will be equal to B of K TB, B of K minus 1 TB, P of K TB minus K minus 1 TB. So this will be equal to B of K TB, B of K minus 1 TB, P of TB. Now we all know that PTB is equal to EB, energy of 1 bit. So the product, it will be like we will check here whether the data transmission, here we will verify whether the transmitted data is 0 or a 1. So the case is, if B of t minus TB is equal to 1 volt, then dt will be equal to 0, and if B of t minus TB is equal to minus 1 volt, then dt is equal to 1. Fourth one is, we will have decision device. It will decide whether it is 1 or 0. So it will be deciding if S naught KTB is equal to minus PTB, then D of T is equal to 1. If it is P of TB plus P of TB, D of T will be equal to 0. Let this be equation number 5.